Hey, I want to show you something really cool. Check this out. $1,035.94 in just 24 hours. The best part is I made this on complete autopilot during the weekend when I was having fun with my family. And I didn't have to spend anything on traffic. I didn't have to send out any emails. I didn't have to use Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Pinterest. And I definitely didn't have to use any of that one-click software. We all know how well that works. Frankly, it's junk. You're sick of it? I'm sick of it. We're all fed up with the BS. So I've decided to take things up a notch and deliver a completely brand new way of making money online. That's making us money every single day, like this. This. And this. No weird loopholes, hacks, or tricks. No push-button BS. Instead, it's all possible by tapping into the $9.1 trillion e-commerce industry. But with a little twist. We don't set up any Shopify store. We don't sell anything on Amazon. We don't sell anything on eBay. We don't sell affiliate products. We don't keep inventory in a warehouse. This is something that's never been done before. Instead, we create high-converting 3-step super e-com funnels that sell any products, convert 10 times better, and are more profitable than the normal Shopify stores, Amazon, eBay, and WooCommerce. It's all possible with Proto. Proto lets you tap into the $9.1 trillion e-commerce revolution and crush e-com without a store and without any competition.